Hi, Mom.
Hi, how are you? Merry Christmas.
Look what I got.
The gift we sent?
So sad that, the holidays got us, was it distant this year, but I did make you a special gift. Did you get it?
I did get it. I don't know what it is yet, though.
I can't wait for you to see it. I handmade it.
I know you just got home and you probably noticed there's a little surprise on your front porch.
I did.
We just wanted to send you a little something because we know we can't see you in person.
I was going through the Arm & Hammer DIY holiday catalog, and not only can you bake with Arm & Hammer baking soda, but you can craft with it.
All right. Did you help make these?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Oh my gosh.
I don't know how I got so lucky to have you as a friend. Okay.
Ooh.
It smells good, huh? It is the orange and peppermint foot scrub that I handmade.
This is so cute.
I made that one myself, and I used some baking soda and made it look like snow.
I think we're going to put it right over here.
Oh, pretty. Guess what they're made out of? You won't even believe it.
I don't know. I can't tell.
So they're made out of baking soda.
What?
Isn't that fun?
That's so fun.
I feel like you're such a hard worker. You're such an awesome person. And you definitely deserve to be pampered this year.
Thank you so much, okay?
Bye.
Kiss, kiss.
All right. I'll catch you later, Sam.
All right, love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye.
All right, enjoy your holidays. And
All right. Love ya.
And I'm about to go scrub my feet.
There you go.